Either in the previous video, I discussed about the example on sequential load sample using two timers. Uh, in that example, I use two methods. First method is use two timers with 5 seconds and 4 seconds, and the other method is two timers with 5 seconds and 9 seconds. In this video, I am going to explain how to use comparison command in PLC ladder diagram using DeltaISP simulation. First, I create a new project and go to the program and create a new program. The timing diagram is same as the previous one. In this one, I have created for the X0 and I will add one timer. In this example, total time is for the both delays are 5 seconds and 4 seconds. The total of delay is 9 seconds. Then I will add the timer with 9-second delay. I will give 90. Then I will add comparison command. You can see comparison instruction in here. If the time is equal or greater than 5, the Y0 is on. For the Y1, if the time is greater than or equal to 9, Y1 is on. Then I use those comparison command in the ladder diagram. I add the parallel network to that one. Then I will add 0 and Y1 output to here. Then I will add comparison command to comparison command equal or greater than timer is 0, and for the Y0 instruction is time is equal to, for the Y0 time is equal or greater than 5. Then I will give 50. For the Y1 time is equal or greater than 9 seconds. 20, 90. Then I will compile the project and download it to the PLC. Go to the online mode and run. I will run the X0. Time is counting. After 5 seconds, Y0 is on. After 9 seconds, Y1 is on. Then I off the X0. Both the outputs are off. I will again set on. Start counting. The 5 seconds, Y0 is on. At the 9th second, Y1 is on. And I will set off timer with reset and both the outputs are off. For this one, instead of equal or greater than command, I can use equal comparison command. I change it to equal command. Then I will compile the download. Yes. Go to online mode, run mode, set to start counting, and the fifth second, y1 is 1, at the 9th second, y1 is 0. Or else you can use for the y1, I will let the parallel network, I will let contact here, give T0, give y1. Then T0 is enabled, y1 is on. The T0 is activated, y1 is on. I will compile, download it to PLC, go to online, and I will set on x0 at the 5th second, y0 is on. At the 9th second, y1 is on. You can use any method that I have explained in this, with the comparison command. I hope you got to understand more what is the comparison command and how it works in ladder diagram. Thank you.